The positive side is that just people are fascinated by it. And because I bring in so much stuff that has to do with not just kind of like the great works of classical Yiddish literature or sort of the glorious Yiddish past, but I try and talk about things that have to do with vernacular culture, pop culture, could be popular music of the 1940s and 50s, influence of Yiddish on American English, like all kinds of expressions that we use in American English that we may recognize, like schlep or glitch, as coming from Yiddish, words like boo-boo that we don't recognize as coming from Yiddish. Yeah, boo-boo is Yiddish. Do you know where that comes from?
Where can you?
It's from the phrase, hat bulbis in moil, which is, he's got little potatoes or small potatoes in his mouth, which was an old expression in the Yiddish theater which said he flubbed his lines. And so you go from bulbous to people hearing this and thinking bulba, boo-boo. And then boo-boo simply meant a small error, like flubbing your lines, and now it means a small error or a small injury. Like when I talk to kids, I do a lot of outreach presentations to Jewish community groups, including Jewish schools, talk about Yiddish. And then, I say, what's a boo-boo? And they say, oh, if you cut yourself. I said, well, it comes from Yiddish. It means the word for potato. Oh,